food is already here, so it's 2 minutes time for okay.
Uncle Tom is a very big place, city, no? City of Bayon. City of Uncle Tom. City of Uncle Tom.
Angkor.
City of Angkor Tom.
Angkor, what have this one?
Okay. Angkor Tom has many temples. I thought it was Uncle Tom. Let's just go around.
Small one, right? It's okay. This is like the park?
This one.
The parking. The parking. This is the parking. So this is also a temple.
So our lunch at 1:36. This is hammock fish and sweet and sour chicken. So this is the famous hammock. So what we ordered is fish, but you can also do this in chicken and pork. It looks like chicken curry, or is it like curry, no? So let's see. Wow. Tikim muna tayo mga Happy Noise. Lasang ang curry. Kain na tayo, team Happy Noise Travelers. Let's eat.